Yo, what is up, guys? Today is not Moto Vlog Day. As you can tell, look at us. This is the Christmas special. If you remember, flashback, we did a Halloween version of this.
Let me cook. Hang on.
Let him cook, Chad.
Hold on.
God damn it. So now it is time for a Christmas one with a little bit different. So today, we are doing gingerbread houses instead of pumpkins. Now, to be honest, I haven't done it in a long time. He's done sweatshirts and cookies. She built the house in stone, fuck knows when. I don't even know. So, we're gonna do gingerbread houses, so let's get going.
What happened to you?
Oh,
I be popping bottles.
I cardboard cutted myself, like actually.
Okay, fine, that's rude.
Oh, fuck, I'm gonna some breakfast. Mine or yours?
That was mine.
Here, we don't need these. Oops, I hit the camera.
I got mine open.
I can't get out of my box.
Which one's the floor?
Is none of ours cracked? We don't
Are we
have a
supposed
floor,
to-
dumbass. Need your icing. Need it, need it, need it. It's like from The Office, when he's like,
That's the
I
front-
need this,
wait,
I
hold
need
on.
this.
That's a rude.
Yeah, you getting it now? Stone's just gonna eat this whole thing.
Shut up.
Where does this go? Oh, these go here?
Yeah.
Like
or
that?
What is this, like a
No,
child
no, no.
safety cap?
Huh?
How do I get this out?
Oh, do we have to
Never
cut
mind.
it?
Who's
How
good
does
with
this
knives?
go then?
I don't have a knife.
What? Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Pop a doc in the
Look at that white stuff.
I can taste icing, so mine's like...
Oh, it's
Yeah, I
not-
can taste icing.
Yes.
It's called all circles, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, those nail cutters.
Here, do mine. Dude, I've been unscrewing this for 15 minutes. Oh, it doesn't unscrew. I've unscrewed it for no reason.
That's what I was doing. That's why I was like, is it child one?
Are these my candies or they're gonna be?
How the Grinch this year, bitch.
Oh, okay.
I'm not even like out of my pants.
There go my mints.
You're still unboxing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does this go? Is there a direction?
Jesus Christ.
Okay, sleeves are coming off because I'm hot as fuck. This nose is coming off. Oh gosh.
I be popping bottles.
I don't know what's right, but we're just gonna go for it.
No, Jesus.
Michaela Shelby. Is that my roof?
I cut a baby hole.
Easy. Bill tray my ass. Oh.
Ah, fuck myself.
Put it on the table.
Ow,
Shut
it's
my
hot.
hold it up.
I know it's hot.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
I'm gonna panic.
I don't know how to open the window.
You with your hands?
What do I need? My hands are gonna fog up here soon.
Imagine.
No!
I didn't do anything.
Oh, that's...
Kayla.
You here?
I was literally about to say, don't move, Michaela.
This icing sucks dick. They never give you good icing.
I blame the Chinese.
Look at these dimes, bro. I'm a welder. No! God damn it. Who does this shit for fun?
People who are fucking clinically insane.
God damn it.
This is harder than it looks.
I gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Lightning fast. I am speed.
Oh, thank There goes the icing.
I'm gonna fucking lose.
Cute little sweater.
Oh my
Son
god.
of a fuck.
You here,
Merry
boys.
Christmas. Oh,
I
I
be
felt
popping
mine.
bottles. That's good icing.
What the?
Stone.
I waited for that to be so aggressive. I be popping bottles.
Who put their fucking little driblets on my roof?
Your windows are fucking sideways, you clap.
What?
Look.
I think that's.
I'll show the camera.
Upside down.
Fucking windows are vertical, bro.
Oh man.
Wait, I did mine wrong?
Michaela did hers too. I think actually mine's right.
Mine are right. No, they're not! Who looks at that window? You could see your whole body. It's like, you're supposed to see just the head. That's you standing there butt naked. The whole neighborhood knows you got a small wiener, you know what I mean?
Let me focus, chat.
No.
It's supposed to
Son
hold
of
it
a
for.
bitch.
Does it even taste good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, mine's falling again.
Ow!
What happened to their Dude, these
She
fucking
keeps
things are
fucking
concrete.
That
sipping.
shit hurt.
No, dude, I let mine soak in milk for at least 48 hours.
That hurt. Ow! That actually almost chipped my tooth.
I be popping bottles.
I'm fucking panicking.
I be popping bottles. What if? Hear me out.
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
Mine's like an open house. I can't use this.
My
ever.
gingerbread
No,
men are gonna be
bitch.
homeless at this rate.
Dude, how do these work?
You pop it out, dumbass.
Where? I understand that concept, but how does that hold a home together?
It doesn't.
This is a gingerbread home.
You go like this and you
Oh,
pop
hold
it
on, I'm
underneath.
slipping.
I want to cry.
You put it
Oh.
underneath like this.
How about a bitch? All right, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Is my watch out, watch out, watch out.
What did I do? Oh!
It's so hot in here.
I know.
Can I just? I have to finger my house. I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Hey yo.
There you go.
Looks like a shed.
Yeah, I'm just. Fuck this.
Looks like a shed.
See, yours looks so clean.
Me?
Yeah.
but let it go.
She's still slipping a slide a little bit.
I'm gonna call my house the fun house.
Yeah, it looks like a trap house.
Yeah.
Mine's gonna be a
Buying that
halfway
shit.
house.
Okay. Mine's gonna be a fucking greenhouse with no roof here in a minute.
Oh my.
There was more icing on my fucking thing. What is this called? A sweater? It is hot. I'm like drenched.
I'm a sweaty mess under here.
Fuck in here.
Ah, fuck my man.
Oh
I thought I
god.
was laying fucking lines down, but
Ew. That smells like farts.
Why does that stink?
I don't
Smell my tree.
smell my tree. Smell my pine.
that smells like.
Like-
It smells like a candy.
Smells my.
Well,
Smell
it smells
my
like a. I don't know what it smells like.
This is
Kinda
supposed
dry.
to be gummy. This
I'm
ain't
gonna
fucking gum. Oh, sorry. My bad. My bad. How do I like glue? You know, people do this shit for
Oh,
fun.
game's over.
Fuck that.
Yeah, there's like fucking people working on one.
I be popping bottles. I saw this bone in
Ew, what the
here.
fuck is?
I saw this boat in half.
Save my life.
Oh, look at that, boys.
Damn
We're in
it.
business.
I think I have a booger in my nose.
I was gonna try and like bite it to like make it like one of those like
You
slam
wanna
It's
my
downs.
nose.
concrete.
I almost lost a tooth.
I did too.
Ooh. There's a moose loose about
There's a moose on the loose.
near the boots.
Okay, so as you just saw in text, the GoPro actually overheated, and it doesn't surprise me because it is a fucking sauna in here. There is a fan behind us. If you hear it, listen, I'm sorry. It's hot as fuck. The icing was melting. I'm probably a sweaty goober mess. But now, we're back to the game, boys. Here we go.
I be popping bottles.
I don't know how to do these.
Bitch. Let me get in my candy drawer. You want some candy in my candy drawer? Watch.
Here
Here
you
it
go.
goes. Here it goes. We might as well just let it happen.
Bye.
Well, why does hers have to look the best?
Just
Okay.
in female nature to be good at this kind of stuff.
All right, now do it as a woman and shut up.
Shelby.
That's what you just did. Don't even fucking give me shit.
God.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Not the goob stoppers. Hit all
I
of
be
us.
popping bottles.
Look at him. I'm gonna give him a little bow tie or something. I'll eat the bow tie.
Keep on here.
I know. Wait, hold on.
Oh,
That is nothing but sugar. Ah, damn, dang. These dots are made of concrete. Listen to this.
I might just eat my accessories. You say the red ones because those shits are good.
I know, those are my slap.
Of the dots?
Yeah.
Y'all need help.
Finger.
I don't think I can stack this on top. Quit hitting my elbow.
What?
Yeah.
Get out of my way.
I made George Washington.
There's a mouse in my house underneath my
Mouse in my
blouse.
house.
I'm lightheaded.
I
Make
don't
it sound like you farted.
fun. Look at my house. I think I'm almost done.
God damn it.
Oh, save it. Save the eyeball.
God.
It's funny when you hear "God damn it" and then just the candy hitting the ground.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, almost fell.
That's me right there.
That's me for real.
You guys have been moving my wall ever
Who's
so
been
slightly.
moving my house?
Who's been in my room taking my bed?
From my room.
The beer thief is you! You're the beer thief!
Oh, we love you, Ozzy.
Sharon, you're right.
I am the dirty little beer thief.
Oh no! Oh, someone help me, please. Michaela,
What?
grab this.
What?
I don't know.
Grab.
Grab something, please.
Sorry, I didn't know what you wanted me to grab.
I said something. Anything, please.
Something, anything, please.
I'm gonna have my sugar high like crazy later.
I'm gonna turn mine around for you boys.
You said okay.
I thought it was good. Oh my god.
Well, because you're building in on that thing.
I can't. Look at the side of my house. It's half a hoose.
Who's?
His hoose got attacked by a moose. You guys quit sucking on the icing.
I'm stressed.
No, you guys used a lot. I used like baby stuff.
Did you almost
I
die?
Yeah, I got stuck in my
Michaela
throat.
went.
Bitch got stuck.
Shit, I'm done.
Me
Why
too.
does mine keep drooping like
Your
that?
head is getting dangerously close to my house.
I'm gonna get off my fucking knees.
Next time you need help.
Here, baby.
Ask. All right, let me add a little piece de resistance. Look, it was a blizzard on my
I
house.
pulled mine
It
off.
was a-
Yeah, blizzard of shit. That's awful. But effort, you know?
Okay, we're gonna clean up the table and then show you the final reveal. Now it is time to present. You can see the other ones over here. Michaela's going first because we can slide ours. She cannot, so she is up first. Explain. Why should you win?
Why should I win? I feel like mine's the cleanest.
That's rude.
It's not for
Cheater.
you. It's for the judges, not for you. I feel like it's the cleanest. Is it the most festive? No. It's standing up.
That's
That's
valid.
a
And
win.
you're the only one that didn't use the plastic thing.
And I'm the only one that didn't use the plastic.
All right,
So.
that's house one. Stone's turn.
So I think I should win because Michaela cheated. She broke
No,
my
I
other
didn't.
side of the house
No, I
in
didn't.
half.
You rested your house on me while I was making my house.
But I trusted you to not move, and you moved. But as you guys can see, it's probably gonna fall. Has central air
That's in the gap, bro.
on both sides.
I thought it was an open house.
So unlike this house won't get hot. And I did the best with what I could.
As you can see, I'm the only one that gave my friend a girlfriend. So he's not lonely. He's not living here alone. Now look,
She can't even fucking
Look.
see.
in the wintertime, everybody loves the smell of Christmas trees. You got 2 of them.
Bro has icing on his
On the fucking house.
Bro has icing on his
You can smell it.
Look at you see the icing?
Listen, you
The
can.
icing.
Let me get that for you. There you go. My bad.
You don't put a tree on
That's
the house.
embarrassing. That's
My
embarrassing
tree's
for
in
the
the yard
judges.
at least.
Yeah. We just went through a winter tornado.
Listen.
Christmas in Kansas.
Listen. We've
I'm in Kansas.
Let him finish, let him finish.
We've decorated for the lights. These are lights. We
I'm not
decorated.
fast.
Look, look. Unlike Stone's house, completely sealed. No mold here.
Mine has central heating.
Central. Yeah, you need a lot of central heat to heat that bitch
Your
up.
girlfriend broke it.
Listen, as you can see, listen. The trees on the roof. You get to spruce all year long. Okay.
Hey everybody, my name is Joshua. I just want to thank everybody for stopping in today and thank Dylan and Michaela for getting the gingerbread houses.
I live here.
Stone lives here. Stone lives here. Let me break this down for you, okay? Is Michaela the cleanest? Probably.
Debatable.
But,
Your system is
hold on. Let me speak, okay?
Let him finish.
Number
It's
one,
his moment.
I think we're missing what Christmas is all about. Festive cheer,
Presents.
okay? We're missing the festive cheer. I'm gonna remove this very gently. Okay, judges, come in here. Come in here. We're not biased. We're not biased. Okay, let me break this down for you real quick. As you can see on the sides, we actually have a snow-covered
Wow,
roof.
okay.
Whatever that may be, I'm not sure. Little dollops of little snowflakes. I don't know. I've never seen snow like that. Central heating, we're like, Central, you have a fucking leak. You need a new roof. Dylan's, I give him the festive kick. You gotta understand. But I mean, the execution, a little bit rough. Let's look at this together, okay? Up top, we've got treats for Santa when he lands. We actually have a snow-covered roof. Up front is the most accurate representation of something that maybe
How
some of
does
you
Santa get
understand. Huh?
There's no chimney.
He does get in. There's gaps. Okay. Listen,
Well, when I have
Up
gaps,
front,
it's a problem.
Dylan said there's no one else with a, with
Well,
a
they can't see it's
relationship.
laying down.
Or loving. Oh, they're not loving each other. Okay. One of these, we have a beautiful, happy wife who's happy to be here. We've got the husband who wants to jump off a bridge and dunk himself in a glass of milk and let me eat him. Okay. We have the festive tree up top. Nothing too crazy. We do have the lights going down. We've got the beautiful little decoration up above. Snowflake with the colors. Plus, we have the beautiful doorknob. Now, let me also, may I add, let's move the happy couple. Look on the sides, okay? Look at the realism of these.
The back isn't even finished.
Look, look and understand the realism of the icicles, okay? I've never seen an icicle make a beautiful formation like that, okay? Let's look at the realism here. Okay, beautiful icicles all the way around the home. Does Santa have a sweet treat on the roof?
Yeah.
Then I'm trying to figure out who won this competition. Figure out.
There goes.
Judges, pay attention.
Here's the judges' decision. They have spoken. The judges have decided. Wait,
Okay.
do the judges agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, the judges agree. Here we go.
After some final examining and determining on who the winner was, It was a hard choice. I'm not gonna
It
lie.
was pretty hard.
We're gonna have to go with Stone. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew it. Let's go.
And I'll explain why.
Nah, fuck.
And then I'll go into the
Just
list.
listen to
So,
Mike.
don't put a lot of effort in that motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie. I stood there and watched him for like 20 minutes, no, like 30 minutes, bro. And he was fondling them all. And like, I mean, you struggled a little bit getting the roof on, but I
Oh,
mean,
the struggle bus the whole time.
but
Dude,
that
my
motherfucker.
house broke.
I mean, okay, so we did Stone, Josh, Michaela, and then Dylan. And yours collapsed.
Good answer.
We had to go for it, so.
Good
yeah.
job, Stone.
We want to hear what you think in the comments. I think that'd be really good.
Now, you vote. Before mine collapsed. You've got Michaela, Stone, shit, Josh, and me. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmas special. It took a lot of time to film, cameras overheating. Thank you to Josh's girlfriend and Levi, who were off camera, for judging and helping us. Levi actually ran the camera, so we knew, and Josh's girlfriend gave me a time, so they helped a bunch with the camera stuff. So, shout out to everybody who helped with this video. It was an amazing Christmas video. I've never done it. I hope it came out good, so you guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later!